If you cannot make or receive phone calls using your phone app in Windows 10, watch this video till the end to know how to fix it. Hey, you're watching Silicophilic, the home for all tech users. Microsoft's Your Phone app allows users to receive or make calls directly from the desktop. When you are not able to do it, follow the steps shown here to fix it. Before we get into the solutions, subscribe to our channel for future tech support. Also, like this video if it helps you solve this issue. Now, let's jump into the solution. Method 1. Enable Bluetooth. First, check if you have Bluetooth enabled on your smartphone and PC. Search for Bluetooth and open the Bluetooth settings. Turn the Bluetooth toggle on. Next, check if you have Focus Assist enabled, and if it is, disable it. Right-click on the Action Center icon located on the bottom right corner of the screen. Select Focus Assist and turn it off. If the issue persists, try running the Bluetooth troubleshooter. Type Troubleshoot Settings in the search bar and open it. Click on Additional Troubleshooters. Select Bluetooth and click on Run the Troubleshooter. Follow the on-screen commands, and if Windows finds any issue, follow the instructions to fix it. So, that's it. If this video has helped you in figuring this issue, then give us a like and subscribe to our channel. We also have a Facebook group of troubleshooting experts where you can share your tech issues and get direct help. The link to the group is in the pinned comment. Thanks for watching Silicophilic.